Hey guys, it's Tiffany Riley. So I thought, since we're all quarantined and everything due to this virus, I thought, I'm gonna try and make daily content for you guys and everything like that. So yeah, of course, if you've seen my previous video, which is me reviewing the 4 Elements palette from a company called Essence Cosmetics, I think, you would know that, I've actually done the 4 Elements makeup look last year. So I thought, because we're all quarantined and everything, we're all bored and everything like that, I thought I would go ahead and kind of do an updated version on the 4 Elements and everything. So yeah. If you guys recreate any of these looks, just use the hashtag Tiff's Spring Lookbook 2020, or just by using 4 Elements, whatever. And I will post some of my favorites on my Instagram. So let's get started. So the first thing I did was I'm getting ready to wash all my brushes, which is what you should do after every tutorial and everything like that. So these are the brushes that I'm going to clean. As you can see, some of them are currently a mess. 4 of these that look like this one excuse me. 4 of these that look like this one right here, I believe I got from Claire's, and then this one is from e.l.f. And the scrubber I'm using is just this little matte glove thing that I bought at my local dollar store. And the cleanser I'm going to be using is this scrub, if I can, there we go. It's called Black Rose, and it's by Avon. They sent me a sample of this and everything. I used it on my face only once and never really used it on my face since, but I do use it for my brushes. And it cleans really, really well with the brushes and everything. So I'm getting ready to clean my brushes using this, and see you guys in a little bit. Alright, so basically I did all of that, and of course all my brushes right here are clean. Like I said, I used this. Don't know if you can see it that well, but this is what I used. I just used a dollop of this. This actually was a sample that Avon had sent me and everything. So yeah, of course all my cleaning stuff right over here, and this little mat I got from my local dollar store and everything like that. So once these brushes are completely dried, we will get into the tutorial. Alright, so the first element we're going to do is, of course, fire. So this will be the witchy fire tutorial thing. I'm not sure if I did a tutorial on this look last year, but if I did, I will find it on my channel, and I will put it in the description below, along with all my other social medias, my PR and business email, and of course my blog as well, and everything like that. So yeah. So Alright, so let me put that down real quick. First of all, of course, is primer. I don't have primer right at this minute. I'm broke at the moment, so if you guys recommend any good legit primer that is vegan and cruelty-free, leave it in the comments. I would love to know your guys' thoughts on your favorite brands and etc. But for now, I am going to be using a new Hydra Fusion Gel Cream by Avon. This is the sample that they sent me a while back. And I am actually just going to put this on my lids. Like I said, if you guys recommend any good primer that is vegan and cruelty-free, please leave them in the comments below, and I will check them out. Alright, so grabbing the fire palette. I wish that these things had like shade colors and everything like that. That would be so much easier. So the first color I'm going to be taking is an orange color. And that will be and I'm going to take a little crease brush like this. And I'm going to take it and put it on the crease. I'm kind of kneel down a little bit just so y'all can. This thing doesn't come with a mirror. I wish it did. I wish the company put a mirror in this thing because it would be so much easier for me to show you guys. And hopefully, I'm praying that I'm not messing up, but oh well, perfection can kiss my ass. The next color I'm going to be taking is a red color. And I'm going to be taking the same brush. I'm going to be placing that on my lid. And I'm going to be blending in both the red and the orange for a more fiery look. Now I'm taking the same brush again, and we're going to be adding a yellow color. If you do not have a yellow color, then a white or a tan color like this will work just as fine. It's hard to find yellow shades sometimes in palettes, so we'll just place the yellow on the outer corner to kind of give it that soft, fiery look. We're going to be taking a flathead brush, and we're going to be taking it like a shimmery tan color. And we're going to be placing that on our lid for more of a bronzy type fire look. Now we're actually going to be taking our clean fingers. We're going to be taking our clean fingers, and we are going to be taking this shimmery tan. Taking our ring finger because that's our most delicate finger, and we're going to be placing it on our cheekbones and use it as highlighter. Now I'm going to be taking mascara. This is the Super Extend Nourishing Mascara by Avon True Color. This is in the shade Black. Hopefully I can do this without a mirror. This is going to be so hard without a mirror, but I'm going to try. I didn't really use a lot. I didn't really use a lot, just a little bit. Considering you don't really need a lot. And for eyeliner, I am actually going to be taking liquid eyeshadow because This is for the people who are not skilled in eyeliner, if you know what I mean. And I'm going to be taking this is the Glimmer Shadow liquid eyeshadow by Avon, and it is in the shade Fool's Gold. This is for people like me who don't have a steady hand. I like the big chisel tip because, again, steady hand. So if you're not good at eyeliner or if you don't have a steady hand, I definitely recommend using liquid eyeshadow for eyeliner. It works just as good, just saying. Alright, now I am going to, the last step of course is lips, and I am going to be taking Crave lip gloss also by Avon in the shade Citrus. And of course, if you need to, you can blot it. So this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will try to do daily content for you guys, for those of you who are in quarantine. So just be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will try to post daily. All of my socials will be in the description below, along with if I made a video of this look last year, then I will definitely be posting that as well. If you, like I said, if you recreate any of these looks, then just use the hashtag tips spring lookbook 2020, and I will gladly repost some of my favorites with your permission and everything like that. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys, and I will see y'all soon.